Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing principal, accessory, and subsidiary penalties. Principal penalties. Principal penalties are those expressly imposed by the court in the judgment of conviction and may be divisible and indivisible. Ito yung pinapataw mismo ng court kapag nahatulan ka ng guilty. Ano ang mga principal penalties na pwedeng ipataw? Una ay capital punishment, which is the death penalty. However, wala na po tayong death penalty. Pangalawa ay afflictive penalties. Ano itong afflictive penalties? Ito ang mga sumusunod. Reclusion perpetua, reclusion temporal, perpetual or temporary absolute disqualification, perpetual or temporary special disqualification, prison mayor. Pangatlo ay correctional penalties. Ito naman ang mga correctional penalties: prison correctional, arresto mayor, suspension, at dischero. Pang-apat, light penalties. Ito naman ang mga light penalties: arresto menor, at public censure. Lastly, penalties common to the preceding classes, ito ay ang fine and banned to keep the peace. Let us go to accessory penalties. Accessory penalties. Accessory penalties are those that are deemed included in the principal penalties. Bago magkaroon ng accessory penalty, dapat may principal penalty muna. Pag walang principal, wala din accessory. Pero pwedeng may principal at walang accessory. Ano nga ba itong mga accessory penalties? Ito ay ang mga sumusunod. First, perpetual or temporary absolute disqualification. Second, perpetual or temporary special disqualification. Third, suspension from public office, the right to vote and be voted for, the profession or calling. Itong tatlo, pwedeng principal, pwedeng accessory, pwedeng suspension lang ang parusa, pwedeng kulong plus suspension. Fourth, civil interdiction. Fifth, indemnification. Sixth, forfeiture or confiscation of instruments and proceeds of the offense. Seventh, payment of costs. Now let us go to subsidiary penalties. Subsidiary penalties. It is a penalty imposed upon the accused and served by him in lieu of the fine which he fails to pay on account of insolvency. Dito si accused ay nahatulan, kasama sa hatol sa kanya ay fine. Pwedeng fine lang talaga yung penalty niya o may kasamang imprisonment plus fine. Kung hindi siya makakabayad ng fine, papatawan siya ng tinatawag nating subsidiary penalty o madadagdagan ang araw ng pagkakakulong niya. Gaano kahaba ang idadagdag sa akusado? If the convict has no property with which to meet the fine, he shall be subject to a subsidiary personal liability at the rate of 1 day for each amount equivalent to the highest minimum wage rate prevailing in the Philippines at the time of the rendition of judgment of conviction by the trial court. Kunyari ang fine niya ay 80,000, tapos ang highest minimum wage naman ay let's say 800, then 80,000 divided by 800, then may additional siyang 100 days. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.